want to pin or unpin a video on TikTok. So let's say you just posted a video and it got a lot of views and now you want to pin it. I'm gonna show you how to do this. Firstly, let's open up TikTok and tap on the profile on the bottom of the screen on the right side. Now, click on the very first icon with 3 lines to view all your posted content. To pin the video, click on it once, then tap on 3 dots on the bottom of the right panel. And after that, you need to swipe left on the bottom until you see option pin. So click on it once and now it is pinned to top of your profile. After that, you will see this red marking pinned, and no matter how many videos you'll post in the future, this pinned one will be the first video people would see when they just open your profile. Also, you can pin up to 3 videos, so we can pin the second one as well. Let's do it. And now it is also pinned. So if I'll post a video right now, let's just post something. You should see that it will be posted not as the first video, so not like the recent video, not the newest, but it will be posted after your pinned content. So this is how it works. Now to unpin video, tap on it, tap 3 dots once again, swipe left and choose unpin for now. Then it will be unpinned and moved back to the date when you posted it, so it could just drop down below all your videos. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.